Turkey is gearing up to host the first large-scale, the International Crypto Event of 2020, seeking to make its reputation as a blockchain pioneer set in stone. As it stands now, the country has experienced a significant influx and growth of companies, startups, and solutions related to crypto and blockchain technologies. Big figures taking part in less than 2 weeks, Blockchain Economy will kick off within Istanbul. The event will bring together attendees for networking events, media opportunities, and talks, all lasting 2 days. Among the heavyweights that'll take part, Tom Lee will serve as a speaker to this conference, standing as one of the largest ones within MENA and Eurasia. As it stands now, the blockchain economy will attract 60 countries worth of advocates for blockchain and fintech. A member of note is the infamous John McAfee, who had quite recently declared Bitcoin to be the worst form of cryptocurrency in existence. That was just after he praised Bitcoin for being the one true coin, as well as infamously predicting that Bitcoin would be worth $1 million by the end of 2019. Turkey spearheading crypto development. The event will be sponsored by both Bitpanda and Bitchery and is set to explore the key issues that have come up since Blockchain Economy as pilot event last year. Things like digital identities, blockchain security, and citizenship beyond borders will all be hot topics. The lineup for the conference conth. You can read full post on CryptoFans News, link available in text below.